Welcome to a new video of the uiux series. Today we'll talk about user journeys and user personas. Do you know, since you sign into an Amazon or a Flipkart and the steps you on the journeys you take to reach the checkout, we try to track every moment and try to improve experiences on every moment. Hence, we map your user journeys and every track movements. User personas. We imagine you. We imagine a definitive figure with some demographics to understand what kind of an user uses an application or will use this application. We try to imagine what will you do from morning to night and understand your behavioral pattern, or just to assume that what you do so that we can adhere your problems and daily needs throughout this application. You use your credentials to log into an application. You search for an element. We are taking an example of an e-commerce application, by the way. So you are searching for an object, you're searching for an item to buy or to look at or to compare something, whatever the use case are. We track every of that. You search, it automatically gets the list of items, you look at the price, you see the discounts, you take a definitive decision, and then once we go into, you add to the cart or you directly go to buy now. Those are two steps. So we track every moment from there. Since you sign in, since you search, since you list down, since you scroll down, since you compare, you add to compare, or whatever you do, we track every moment and see how the application is behaving with those user patterns. We try to understand that, okay, at this step, are you feeling okay? This step, are you feeling nice? This step, feeling, no, you're having some problems with this step. Hence, we understand the empathy, what you go through. It's like, okay, you're happy with this state, but for the next step, you're not that happy. On every step, we understand what you need. On every step, we understand what is your actions. On every step, we try to improve those experiences so that you have a seamless transition from step 0 to step 1 to step 2 and henceforward. Then we understand, okay, fine, is the user reaching the final goal? How long does it take? How efficiently can you move? That's a part of why we journey out and user journey and understand what steps to improve and what steps to, okay, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Hope you have a brief and better understanding of user journeys and user personas. Try to use it when you're building an application. Try to think in this way, that what a user is going to need, what the user is going to go through while you build an application for them. Is it seamless enough? Is the user what it needs? Are you giving them the things? And try to understand who you are building for. It will help you in the next project of building a great amazing product. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also put down some comments if you have any. Thank you. See you in the next video.